I am from Gandhinath Ramji, College of D Pharmacy, Solapur. We will start the third chapter, that is sulfonamides or sulfa drugs, that is part 4. In last lecture we saw the second drug, that is sulfaguanidine. This is the structure of sulfaguanidine. Next we saw the third drug, that is sulfadiazine. Okay, today we will see the fourth drug, that is thiol sulfathiazole. It is the thiol sulfathiazole. In this there will be a sulfathiazole is attached by a thiol group, so that this is called as thiol sulfathiazole. This is the about introduction about this compound, that is the thiol sulfathiazole. In this one hydrogen atom of sulfonamide hydrogen is replaced by the two thiazolyl heterocycle, and one hydrogen atom of aromatic amino group is replaced by the thionyl group. Thus, two thionyl heterocyclic N1 substituted and thionyl group is N4 substituted. There will be a 2-thionyl heterocycle at N1 substituted and thionyl group is N4 substituted on the sulfathiazole. That is called thionyl sulfathiazole. In this there will be introduction of N1 heterocyclic substituted improves the antibacterial activity. ज्यावेळेस आपण N1 heterocyclic group आपण ऍड करतो, that is the 2-thionyl heterocyclic group जेव्हा आपण N1 मध्ये अटॅच करतो त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला antibacterial activity वाढतो, antibacterial activity increase होतो because of the N1 heterocyclic substituted. And there will be a N4 substituted prevents the absorption through GIT. It is slowly hydrolyzed in the intestine and hence it is useful in the local intestinal infection and it is poorly absorbed. ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण N4 सबस्टिट्यूट जे काही आपण कंपाऊंड केलेलं आहे, इट इज थिऑल ग्रुप, ह्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला ह्याचं जे काही कंपाऊंड आहे ते GIT मध्ये अब्सॉर्ब होत नाही. आपल्याला मेन ह्याचं इफेक्ट हे आपल्याला इंटेस्टाइन मध्ये पाहिजे. जे काही इंटेस्टाइन मध्ये इन्फेक्शन झालं असते ते क्युअर करण्यासाठी आपण हे ड्रग यूज करतो. यासाठी आपल्याला N4 सबस्टिट्यूट गरजेचं आहे. दॅट इज रिड्यूसेस द GIT अब्सॉर्प्शन, दॅट इज स्लोली हायड्रोलाइजिंग द इंटेस्टाइन. हे जे काही ड्रग आहे हे आपल्या इंटेस्टाइन मध्ये स्लोली हायड्रोलाइज होतो, स्लोली त्याचं इफेक्ट दाखवतो, सो दॅट दिस इज द ओरली अब्सॉर्ब. नेक्स्ट इज द chemical property, it is the diazotization reaction. In this there will be thiol sulfathiazole plus HCl plus HNO3 plus beta-naphthalene. In presence of ice it gives the orange red color. Next is the drug, it is thiol sulfathiazole plus NaOH plus CuSO4, it gives the green color. This is the third one, thiol sulfathiazole plus lisarsenol plus concentrated H2SO4 heated for 1 minute and this mixture poured into aqueous NaOH solution. It gives the distinct green fluorescence and it is disappears when the solution is acidified. These are the three chemical properties. Next one is the uses. It is mainly used as an antibacterial and not absorbed through the GIT, hence it is used. हे आपल्याला मेनली आपण अँटीबॅक्टेरियल यूज करतो आणि हे आपल्याला GIT मध्ये अब्सॉर्ब होत नाही. इट इज गॅस्ट्रोइंटेस्टिनल ट्रॅक्ट, hence it is used in the treatment of bacterial dysentery, that is bacillary dysentery, and also to reduce the bacterial flora of large intestine before surgery. ज्यावेळेस लार्ज इंटेस्टाइनचं सर्जरी करायचं असतो त्यावेळेस त्याच्यामध्ये आत असलेलं बॅक्टेरियल फ्लोरा ते वॉश करण्यासाठी तर रिड्यूस करण्यासाठी आपण हे ड्रग आपण यूज करतो. दीज आर दी टू युजेस. नेक्स्ट वन इज द फार्मास्युटिकल प्रिपरेशन्स. thiol sulfathiazole tablet, brand name is Colicitina and Talidine. These are the two brand names, Colicitina and Talidine. These are the two brand names of this drug. This is the thionyl sulfathiazole. This is about the introduction or structure about the thionyl sulfathiazole. These are chemical properties. These are the uses. Mainly act as an antibacterial, mainly used in the treatment of bacterial dysentery. Also used to reduce the bacterial flora in large intestine before surgery. Next one is succinyl sulfathiazole. In this there will be a thionyl sulfathiazole. In this case, thionyl group is replaced by succinyl group, so that it is called succinyl sulfathiazole. Thionyl group is replaced by the succinyl, so it is called succinyl sulfathiazole. That is, it differs from the thionyl sulfathiazole in having N4 succinyl group is instead of N4 thionyl group. हे जे काही N4 मध्ये आपण thionyl group अटॅच केलेला आहे वरच्या कंपाउंड मध्ये, ते thionyl group आपण रिप्लेस करून आपण succinyl group अटॅच करतो N4 ला. त्यासाठी त्याला आपण म्हणतो succinyl sulfathiazole. ह्या ड्रगचं आपण प्रॉपर्टीज बघितलं आणि युजेस बघितलं. हे आपल्याला thionyl sulfathiazole सारखं सेम आहे. दॅट इज द ऑल प्रॉपर्टीज अँड युजेस आर सेम ॲज दॅट ऑफ द thionyl sulfathiazole. Next is the pharmaceutical preparations. It is succinyl sulfathiazole tablets. The brand name is SS thiazole, Primamycin, Primostem, and Sulfamycin. These are the 4 brand names. The next drug is sulfadimethoxam. And this is the structure of sulfadimethoxam. In this there will be N1 group, there will be 2,6-dimethoxypyrimidine 4-vial. This compound is attached to the N1 nitrogen and all but as it is. This is one hydrogen on sulfonamide group is replaced by 2,6-dimethoxypyrimidine 4-vial. Heterocyclic ring is attached. This is the complete compound is called as sulfadimethoxam. The chemical property and physical properties are as same as that of the sulfadiazole. The next one is the uses. It is long-acting antibacterial agent and used in treatment of UTI. It is a long-acting antibacterial agent. This is mainly used as a long-acting antibacterial agent and also used in the treatment of urinary tract infection. It is used in the treatment of UTI. Next one is the pharmaceutical preparations. Sulfadimethoxam tablet. Next one is the brand names. The first one is Bensulfa, Sulfadren, SULFADREN, that is Sulfadren, and K prime, PRIM. These are the 3 brand names of this compound. Today we are studying that is fourth one drug is that is thionyl sulfathiazole. There are some chemical properties, uses, pharmaceutical preparations, and the brand name. Next we saw the succinyl sulfathiazole. Next one we saw the sulfadimethoxam. This is the structure of sulfadimethoxam. This compound 2,6-dimethoxypyrimidine 4-vial. This compound is attached to the N1 nitrogen or N1 amine group. So that this is called as sulfadimethoxam. And it is long-acting antibacterial agent and used in the treatment of UTI, and it is in the form of tablets. The brand names are Bensulfa, Sulfadrin and K prime. Next lecture we will see the next drug